Hello guys, I'm Ronald. Good morning again. So, tapos na kami nag-walking for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then, weightlifting naman. So, this is 15 kilos of dumbbell. So, parang stitching lang, ganyan lang. 15 kilograms to. Para ma-stretch na yung mga muscles natin. Yan, yan. So this is 15 kilograms. Para hindi naman siya masyadong mabigat, hindi siya masyadong magaan. So tamang-tama lang. Yan, may injured kasi ako dyan, no? Hindi niya kahit. Itaas. Meron kasi akong injury, priest soldier, shoulder, pressing shoulder. Nakuha ko yun yung naglaro ko ng basketball championship sa Barangay Lapasan, binangga ako na hindi ako nakaprepare, so tinamaan yun dito yung balikat ko. Kaya nakakos yan ng injury tuloy. So ito naman yung maliliit. So this weight is the weight of this dumbbell is about 3 pounds. So pwede mong bitbitin habang nag-jogging ka or nag-walking or shadow fight like this. So, mabigatin ng kaunti. Uppercut. Jab straight. Inhale, exhale. Nasa vacation kasi ako ngayon guys for 15 days. Then, sa 13 yung reporting date ko. Going back to work. So that's all for now, guys, and I would like to grab this opportunity to thank my viewers, followers in Facebook. By the way, Facebook page is Ronel Kalahat, and then to my subscribers at my YouTube channel, Ronel Kalahat, also my account name. Thank you for my subscribers. Mabuhay po kayo mga kapatid. And salamat sa pag-subscribe, pag-likes, and pagpindot ng notification bell. So, yun lang. At I do my best na everyday mag-popost ako ng mga videos. Alright, thank you very much guys. Bye! God bless!